Hey guys, huge welcome to our campaign. My name is Alex, and today I'm really excited to show you our first product, MJOLNIR. The idea came about when I wanted to build a small form factor PC that was truly high-end, both in terms of performance and its design. However, most cases on the market were either too big or lacked that aesthetic oomph that I had in mind. And so the journey began. Together with some great friends and passionate PC enthusiasts, we created THOR ZONE and started working on MJOLNIR. The biggest challenge was maintaining a minimalistic yet unique design without limiting hardware compatibility or putting excessive thermal strain on each component. After almost 3 years of R&D and many lengthy discussions on dozens of forums, we believe that we have created something truly unique. MJOLNIR, the minimalistic but not boring PC case. Now we need one final push, as nothing of this is possible without you.